Today I'm going to be showing you my Sanyo window air conditioner. It's an 8,000 or no, this is a 7,000. This 7,000 BTU Sanyo window unit. Now I got this online for about $50, and it works pretty well. And it's got that sound thing on, like every unit. It's got a pretty nice fan in there. And the compressor's on this. I think this compressor made by Sanyo, of course, like all this stuff. And this is the back. It's smaller than, say an 8,000 BTU. You know, like this Toshiba here, which is 8,000. Which I looked up. This thing's whole. That was one of my very first units. Or this ginormous game hogger. This big thing, which has a coil that's 4 layers thick and a big evaporator. And this thing does have an American cord on it, but it is Australian. Just put down like it's all I had. And yeah, it's a big unit. It's 15 amps too. This one's 15. These two are 10. So yeah. Came with a filter. This thing's pretty small. Well, I mean, this is only like 8. Not even 8. It's like a 6-inch air thing, but this thing is a ton of air. So anyway, let's see the compressor start up. 3, 2, 1. Move up and down. It's got a nice fan in there. Got this little air thing, which yeah, this thing's meant to move these filters back and forth. It's sort of broken. Guess it opens it up. It's for low, high speed and low speed. Not high, but yeah. So anyway. That was my Sanyo window air conditioner, so hope you enjoy, and bye.